welcome to the vlog. So it is Monday. It's slow today. I only got one order, but it's better than nothing, right? I do have a couple potential customers as well. One that's wanting to order a certain design on an apron, so I think she's gonna order that. And then I had two more requests for two, so I don't know if it's y'all, if it's you guys out there watching me, if you guys are the ones that request these, but I'm just saying that because it's been really slow, and then I just get these requests for items to make, which I absolutely love to make. So one is an adult shirt. They want an adult shirt with a certain design on it, so I'm probably going to do that, which I need to check if I have the adult shirt. And then somebody else wants a custom ribbon trim set, which I'm really excited because it gives me another opportunity to make something new and to add it to my shop. So I'm waiting for them to get back with like the color, the tulle color, the size, and the name, so I can set up the listing for them. But we already went back and forth several times, so I'm excited about that one. So today I'm going to try to work on a few of these orders because I'm at 26 and I want to be below 15. So I'm going to try to see how many I can, if I can at least get it down, at least get 6 or more done today. I'll be good. Nothing's due to ship out until, I think, 2 more days, the 18th. So well, I'm gonna get to work on some of these orders, and then I do have my ribbon trims cut. I just cut them, so I will be working on those as well. I thought I didn't have anything for dinner tonight, but I was smart last week and I did pick up some pork chops, so I had them in the freezer. And y'all know Swirly loves those McCormick bags that Aunt T sends her. So if you're new to my channel, my best friend lives in Michigan. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, so yeah, I always forget, like, you know, I just assume you guys know everything. So Swirly is my daughter, Aunt T is my best friend that lives in Michigan, and Swirly loves the McCormick bags, that pork chops, like you make your pork chops in. We can't find it around here, so watching Journey's out there watching TV is so loud. So she sent her a bunch of them because we can't find them around here. So we still have a lot of those left. So I was smart this past week and I bought pork chops just to have on hand. And so our freezer, yeah. So because I'm the one that buys groceries, so it's been really, really slow. I say all of January. It's the 16th. So, and you know, so I really haven't had the funds to go like stocking our new freezer or refrigerator. So our freezer has had those pork chops, a bag of okra, and some tater tots. That's the only thing in our freezer. So I really need to start picking up a few extra things here and there just to kind of get it stocked, because I like to have, you know, just some backup meals available. And yeah, so I pulled those pork chops out. They're defrosting. I just put them on the counter. They're thin pork chops, so it shouldn't take that long. And so we're gonna have those. And then I was digging around in the cabinet and I found like the Knorr rice packets. My husband always buys a lot, so he will, aside from the groceries I buy, I feed all of us, he will also pick up things for himself, or, you know, he buys his own coffee. Like, he likes we don't go to Dunkin' anymore, and we rarely go. So for a while we were going almost every day or every other day, so that was a lot of money and gas and going there, and you know, but he decided to give it up back. I want to say it's been several months ago. So several months ago we kind of gave up going all the time. We only go like maybe Fridays, or we'll go Tuesday when we go grocery shopping, we will stop at Dunkin', Starbucks, you know. And then maybe once on the weekend. So we went, what? Saturday? Or Friday? Either Friday or Saturday we went, but that, you know, other than Tuesday, that was the only time we went. But, like, he'll buy these jugs of coffee that, you know, that's what he likes. I like hot coffee, so I like to make my own in the Keurig, which is totally new for me because normally I'm not a hot coffee drinker, but I just started and I like it, so. Yeah, where was I going with this? Oh yeah, so he's been stocking up on some stuff here and there over, I don't know, a while, in, you know, picking up an extra can of this or an extra can of that, and like those little Knorr, like rice, they have rice and noodle packet side dish things. So we've got a bunch of those. So I'm gonna make 2 of those to go with our pork chops, and that'll be our dinner. And then he also has a bunch of cans of beans. He's got a bunch of, he just has, like, he's stocked up on a bunch of, like, I guess, things that won't go bad, which is not bad, but he has like 14 packs of tuna. Like 14! Who needs that much tuna? Charlotte's like, it wouldn't be that bad if it was the good flavors, but it's like some kind of roasted garlic, and then the other one is, I don't remember, but I counted 14 packs of tuna. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get some of these orders off, the ones I can. Some I'm waiting on stuff, on shirts and whatnot, and I'm just gonna start on this, and then I might start on, there's I cut a tulle for a sample, that a tutu that would go with a shirt that I already make, that I have an order for. So I'm figuring I can use the order, the shirt order, except for it's the wrong size. I cut my tulle smaller and they ordered a size 8. Let me see, do I got any more? Nope. I'm still gonna make the tutu, but I might have to just wait until I get an order for that shirt, or make another shirt, because the person, they ordered a size 8 with the birthday 7, and I cut my tutu size 2. Because I think they look better if they're 2T and under. Like for pictures, those tutus are more fluffy and look better. I'll have to get back to you on that one. I might just have to make a new shirt.
Started out so small, we drank and then we talked. She got to know me, I got to know her, and suddenly it's war. Then peace so on and off. She's getting to me, I'm getting to her. Here's what I've been thinking, here's what I would do. When 2 people are sinking, you should get them out the pool. Here's what I've been thinking, I don't know what else to do.
Baked a cake. Gotta wait for it to cool. Oh, hey guys. So I finished quite a few. I just put something on and it's like one of those copyright things. If you copy this, like, it's on Netflix. So I'm like, you hear Evan playing the guitar. His dad was upstairs playing the guitar just a minute. Like, I went upstairs and he's like squealing guitars up there, and Evan's down here playing. Anyway, so this is one of the designs, the custom new designs that somebody wanted me to make. It's not due to ship out for, I don't know, next week or something, but I'm like, I'm gonna make it. Number one, I had the shirt on hand, the size that I needed to make it on, and then I think almost everything else, just about everything else, I need to wait on, well, not everything. There's like a couple that I could make, but they just came in like this past weekend. So I just went down the list and made what I could with the shirts I have. I should have shirts coming tomorrow from Angela. They're just the ruffle. I think there was like, I don't remember how many ruffle, but I'm gonna have to order shirts again, but I have to wait till I get paid, because you know, it's like 10 o'clock right now. I think I might work on another, but it's a sample, I think. I'm not sure. And after that, well, as it's stitching out, I'll probably package all these up. I do have to hot glue. Some people sew them, I hot glue them. It's just easier for me, but I take my little ends and I hot glue. So I just make them kiss each other. So I take and I put a dab of hot glue on both, and then I glue them like that. And I do that for all the colors. So and you do that, and I got one more sale today, so I ended up with two. Both of them I think were aprons, which, you know, at this point I'll take whatever I can get. I did have a couple people, one wants that custom order. Did I talk about it? She wants a custom order, and so I want to do that. And another person just asked a question about an apron. They wanted it teal, so I haven't responded to them yet because it just came in like literally 20-30 minutes ago. What are you doing, Winnie? But it's one of those colors, like when I think of teal, I think of like a really light blue-green. This is what I think of. This is like almost exactly the color I think of when I think of teal. So that's the color I think of. I have turquoise, but I don't have teal, so, and plus I don't even have the one they want. I don't even have the size they want, turquoise. I can order what they wanted. Make sure it's adjustable. And battery lights flashing. The place I have been ordering from, their aprons are not actually they are adjustable. I was just kind of putting off ordering because I have to order, they come 6 at a time, so a half dozen. Yeah. So I thought Winnie got a spider. She is playing with a pipe cleaner. Lord have mercy. Anyway, my battery is going to die, so I'm going to finish up here, and then I might work on the new sample. If I do, I might show it if I have enough battery. I just want to show you guys what I made. Don't mind the mess underneath it. I'm ready to package them all up. But yay for orders and ribbon trims.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.